First things first, what is cooking your s'more? These makers come in many forms and use several different types of heat sources. There are models designed for the microwave, makers that can go in the oven, others that sit over hot grills, plug-in electric burners, and small fires. It's worth considering the different types to see which one fits your home best. There are numerous products to choose from s'mores makers, each with unique traits, benefits, and costs. I conducted thorough research, read countless reviews, and created a list of the top 8 best s'mores makers from reliable brands to assist you in making an informed decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are really beneficial to people like you. Check out my description for more information on the price and other details. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Best Overall. Nostalgia Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Roast marshmallows directly over the stainless steel grate, which houses a heating coil, and say goodbye to smoke and flames. It creates neither, so it can be safely used inside. With this kit, you get 2 roasting forks, though they're a bit on the smaller side, and 4 removable ingredient trays. For best results, flip the switch and allow the electric burner to heat for a while. Before roasting marshmallows, they'll brown quicker that way. It's a fantastic option for enjoying a campfire snack without the hassle of an actual campfire. Number 2. Best for Microwave. Progressive Prep Solutions Microwave S'mores Maker. If you have a powerful craving for a s'more and need one now, the microwave could be the answer. Progressive Prep's Microwave S'mores Maker can create 2 gorgeous s'mores in 30 seconds or less. Fill up the water tray, stack your ingredients, pin them beneath the arms, and pop them in the microwave. Thanks to the design and the water reservoir, your s'mores will cook evenly and consistently. Just note that you'll need to change out the water after every 2 uses. And while the microwave won't toast the marshmallows to that lovely golden brown color, it will melt them into a delicious gooey treat. Number 3. Best Design. Sharper Image Electric Bonefire S'mores Maker. This isn't a real campfire, but it is shaped like one. The logs even store the 4 provided roasting forks, heated by an electric coil. This maker does take a while for the flameless fire to heat up, and it's well worth the wait. Reviewers report a delightfully warm and gooey interior and a brown and crispy outer marshmallow. After you enjoy your treat, it comes apart for hassle-free cleaning and storage. Number 4. Best for Oven. S'more to Love 6 S'more Maker. If you want to cook a bigger batch of s'mores quickly, the aptly named S'more to Love Maker cooks 6 treats at a time. The metal grate has individual walls, so everyone can even customize their own s'mores with fun ingredients like peanut butter or sprinkles. The basket is incredibly versatile, able to work in an oven, a grill, or even over an open campfire. It's easy to clean, too, needing just a wipe down with soap and warm water. Simple and straightforward, this s'mores maker can be an absolute crowd pleaser. Number 5. Best Open Flame. TerraFlame S'mores Roaster. Not all s'mores makers do away with an open flame. In fact, that's what TerraFlame S'mores Roaster is all about. But without all that pesky smoke. This sleek set comes with a round fire bowl, available in white or charcoal colors, a beautiful bamboo serving tray, and gel fuel, depending on where you purchase the bundle from. The set could also include roasting forks, a recipe booklet, and additional fuel cans. The design is beautiful and modern, with bamboo accents and a minimalist approach. Thanks to the open flame, you get to decide just how roasted you'd like your marshmallow, from a toasty golden brown to blackened and bubbly. If you're enjoying a summer night out on the deck or sitting inside with a good movie, this pretty set will cook you a tasty sweet treat. Number 6. Best Ceramic. Chicago Metallic S'mores Maker. Chicago Metallic S'mores Maker set includes a serving tray and chimney. Each is made of white ceramic and dishwasher safe. The set includes a stainless steel grill, 4 color-coded roasting sticks, a burner holder, and a snuffer. The tray has segments for holding graham crackers, chocolate, marshmallows, and more. The metallic burner uses canned chafing fuel to bring the heat, though it isn't included with the kit. It's a simple kit that won't take up too much space when not in use. Number 7. Best for Grills. Mr. Barbecue Hershey's S'mores Grilling Basket. The next time you're grilling dinner, consider grilling dessert too. Mr. Barbecue's grilling basket with Hershey's branding is ideal if s'mores are on the menu. The folding grill basket has a long handle to keep hands away from the heat, and it holds up to 4 s'mores at a time. For best results, wrap up each s'more in tin foil, so no ingredients fall out. The grill will warm up your marshmallows and chocolate to melty perfection. Number 8. Best Ingredients Kit. Hershey's S'mores Kit. Now that you've seen options for convenient s'mores makers, let's talk about ingredients. Hershey's has long been the go-to chocolate bar for summertime s'mores, so it may come without surprise that we're recommending this kit from the brand. It has all the basic ingredients you need to make 18 s'mores. 9 full-size Hershey's bars, 1 bag of marshmallows, and 2 packs of graham crackers. That's all from me. I post informative videos on a daily basis, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Please read my description for additional information or to find out the price of the goods. Please leave a remark if you have any problems, so that I can assist you further. Life is short, therefore make the most of it by using our wonderful products that will make your life easier. Thank you for viewing, and have a wonderful day.